Okay, so I'm gonna do another demo. The stereo unit's been all tuned up and everything. This time I'm gonna do Cold World, and there's the artist just underneath there. Give them credit for their music, of course. So I'm gonna use it for demo. I got the seats down right now so you can see both subs, and it's gonna be loud. We've got it on our, well, I'm gonna turn it down to start. Clipping volume on this hen unit seems to be around the 31, 32 mark. So I tend to only take it up to about 30, less for a quick bump than 31. But yeah, not usually past that, because you can honestly hear it to the point where it starts, like, the speakers get like crap, more or less. Even before I put the subs in, I kind of was testing with just songs, turning up the volume until I heard a change in, like, the sound quality, and it was right around that 31, 32 mark. And then testing with this, I'm pretty sure it was clipping at for the lows 32, for the highs 33, so I figure 31's about a safe bet. So here we go. We're going to play it. There we go.
Less money than they can borrow. Create annual sorrow for families left feeling hollow. Then a son of a gun victim fleshing out his anger. Coloring cartoons of strangers who getting strangled. And
so yeah, that's about what it puts out. It's pretty good. I really like these Soundcube subs. My Scar audios were pretty good too, but I can turn that down all the way right now while I'm talking instead of yelling over it. I got the bass knob installed here today too. Hit the wires. It's I would have liked it a little more accessible to where I am, but running the cables wise to keep it hidden, that was the most beneficial spot there. My autofocus is all kind of screwed up from that bass, but yeah, so pretty accessible there either way. I mean, I only have to lean forward a little bit to access it and change it up a little bit in case I find some songs are a little too overpowering for the 8 factory speakers that are in here when it comes to hearing the vocals, so change that all up. But aside from that, these units work pretty great for tuning everything. I'm gonna readjust all my stuff now that it's vibrated. It shakes my headliner and everything. Trunk rattles real good. But yeah, that's about all I got for now. It's not too bad out today. It's only like -1. It was minus like 4 earlier, and it's got really windy and crappy outside, so there's that low washer fluid there. The little warning light beeps at me every day when I leave. Somehow in my messing around, I turned on my fog lights. That's awesome. Just realized that. I probably bumped it when I was running the wires or something. Oh, I got some mud underneath my dash there too. Oh well. Clean it on a really warm day. Get it all wiped down, looking spiffy again, I suppose. Some dirt along here, some coffee spill on my cup holders. Yeah. The rest of it still looks pretty good though, overall. A little bit of dust here and there. That's winter for you.